Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. In today's video, we're taking a look at this VISSPL projector. Now, this is the projector right here, and in today's video, we're going to talk about some of the features that this projector offers and what comes with this projector. Now, this projector does have a lot of hookups, and primarily I use the HDMI port here to use my Apple TV with this projector, as well as use this AV cable here to go ahead and use some of my older devices. Now, this projector even comes with a remote, and you'll just need 2 AAA batteries to go ahead and use it. Now, the one thing that really surprised me is the audio quality of this projector. I have very low expectations when it comes to audio coming out of a projector, but this one was actually pretty decent. It was loud enough so I could actually hear it, and there's even volume controls right on the projector. And in case you're not fully satisfied with this projector's audio, there is a headphone port. You could go ahead and plug in your own headphones or speakers. Now, on the top of the projector, we actually have our focus ring, which we can go ahead and increase the clarity in case our image is a little bit blurry. And we also have keystone adjustments, which we can adjust the angle of the projection image. Now, the clarity of the image of this projector is actually really good for a starter projector. I was very impressed at the overall look and feel of this projector when watching movies or TV shows using this projector. The image is actually really nice and bright, especially in a dark room, and I've been very impressed at being able to use this projector up close as a smaller screen and also way back far as a very large screen. In both cases, this projector has really performed very well. Overall, I think this is an excellent beginner projector with a lot of great features, and for that reason, I highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.